For ages, people have wondered, are we the only ones in the huge universe? It's a question that has been around for a long time, but AI might finally give us an answer. Some new stuff suggests that Google's AI found weird stuff coming from far away. The signals are so clear, like scientists would intend for alien messages. What's wild is that these signals were there for years, hidden in tons of data. It took AI to look at it closely and point them out. Could this be proof we've been looking for? The big thing was 8 radio signals in 2023 that made scientists go, huh? They weren't just random space noise. They were super-specific signals that only showed up when telescopes looked at certain stars and disappeared when they didn't. Even wilder, people had missed these signals before, even after hours of looking. It took an AI system digging through 150 terabytes of data from the Breakthrough Listen initiative to notice them. That's like watching over 30,000 HD movies. These weird signals checked all the boxes for possible alien messages. Asterisk, they were consistent, only appearing when instruments looked at certain star systems. Asterisk, they had a super tight frequency, which is rare in nature. Asterisk, they had a slight frequency change, Doppler drift, meaning the source is moving. The AI that found this wasn't made by some famous scientist. It was made by Peter Ma, a student at the University of Toronto. He used Google's TensorFlow to make a program that could spot things traditional methods missed. Later, they used the same AI to look at old astronomical data. To everyone's amazement, it found signals in a 2017 dataset that people thought had already been checked. Researchers at the Breakthrough Listen project began using this AI to relook at signals that were thrown out as noise. This is a big change in the search for alien life. Before, it was limited by what people could think up. Now, by letting AI take the reins, researchers are finding new stuff. AI doesn't just analyze data, it figures it out in ways people wouldn't, finding clues we'd never see. AI has switched up the SETI process. Before, detecting alien messages was like finding a grain of sand on a huge beach, and we didn't even know what the grain looked like. AI helps scientists sift through tons of radio data, looking for anything that could be from intelligent life. These programs are fast and can spot little differences and patterns in the data. They can tell real deep space signals from Earth stuff, like phones or satellites. The SETI Institute now uses these AI systems in their radio telescopes. They analyze data in real time, which used to be sci-fi. According to Cherry Ing from the University of Toronto, the AI doesn't say we've found aliens for sure, but it helps scientists look in a smarter way. Even though they couldn't find those same signals again, the fact that AI spotted them shows that it can change how we explore the universe. AI also helps us think about alien tech in new ways. Instead of just using human logic, machine learning can find patterns that are totally foreign to us. It's still like finding a needle in a haystack, but the haystack is the whole universe, and the needle might be something we wouldn't even recognize. That's where AI comes in handy. SETI teams now use advanced machine learning systems influenced by companies like Google and NVIDIA. These models are better than human pattern recognition. Regular programs are limited by human ideas, but AI can find stuff that breaks the mold. This is important because aliens might use tech we can't even imagine. AI filters out Earth interference to find the rare signal that might be from the stars. These systems are always learning, and every piece of data makes them better at knowing what's normal and what's not. The amount of data they can handle is mind-blowing. Today's AI-powered SETI systems analyze more data in one day than old searches did in decades. As quantum computing gets better, these abilities will grow even more. The best thing about AI is that it doesn't have biases. People focus on signals that are like our own, but AI detects anything that stands out, even if it's unfamiliar. This is probably our best shot at finding civilizations that are way ahead of us. Besides SETI, AI is helping with other space research. For example, Google's AI helped NASA find Kepler-90I, a planet orbiting a distant star, making that solar system like ours. People had missed this planet before. Chris Shawlu, a Google AI engineer, made a program that could spot tiny changes in brightness as planets crossed their stars. This led to the discovery of 2 more exoplanets hidden in Kepler's data. In another case, Google's TensorFlow found 72 previously unseen fast radio bursts, FRBs, from a repeating source. People had only spotted 21 such bursts before. AI tripled that number. These things show that AI isn't just helping research, it's leading the way by spotting patterns people can't see and making connections in tons of data. AI is setting new standards in observational science. Instruments like the James Webb Space Telescope now use machine learning to find important signals in their data. This partnership between human thinking and machine learning is opening doors to understanding the universe. Each data cycle makes these systems even better at telling the difference between noise and potential discoveries. The 8 signals found in 2023 got a lot of attention, but even stronger AI tools have taken their place. In New Mexico, the Very Large Array Radio Telescope has a real-time AI system called a sidecar that can analyze 2 terabytes of data every second. This system keeps learning, adapting to find anything that could signal intelligent life. This proves that, in the age of AI, we might finally have a chance at answering the question of whether we're alone. The idea is to not just search for repeating stuff, but to spot the unknown, those rare bursts that don't fit into any category. The sidecar works all the time, making sure nothing gets missed. What used to take scientists months can now happen in seconds. As AI gets more involved, data collection and analysis are becoming smoother. Systems are being built that can not only spot and classify weird stuff, but also automatically trigger other instruments to look at the same thing. This kind of teamwork, which was impossible before, is changing the pace and depth of astronomical research. The biggest change AI is bringing isn't just in tech, but in how we think. The search for aliens is no longer just based on human curiosity. It's now a team effort.